We have a new item to unveil that Autumn and I bought. We love American products. We try to buy American as much as possible, and also in particular, we love to buy local. And we're in Michigan, so we came across a new Michigan product that we're pretty excited about. And this is actually even boxed by the Michigan Box Company out of Detroit, so that's pretty cool. The packaging's even out of Michigan.
And so we've only seen this online. We haven't
we
ever touched one.
We've never even touched it, but we're excited to see it. And we're going to go ahead and unbox it. Any guess of what this might be?
I know.
Michigan Box Company.
Okay. Drum roll, please. Okay, we have no idea. We know what we bought, but we've never actually held it before or anything.
It's another Michigan Box Company box.
Yep. Okay.
And it's 10.5 inch cast iron skillet made from Marquette Castings. And look them up on Facebook. We're going to put the link below in this video. And so
let's see this thing.
Anyway, so me and Autumn bought it.
I'm excited.
We're excited to cook with this thing.
Well, we're trying to get into a routine since we've been empty nesters. We haven't done much cooking, but I think we're going to get there. All right, let's see this thing. It's not too heavy. It didn't feel very heavy. All right.
Beautiful cast iron pan.
This is also home security system.
Very smooth bottom. Some of the new cast irons, they have that rough bottom. This is very smooth.
Is there anything on the back?
Very nice handle. I like the where you can. It's got the spouts where you can pour.
Mm-hmm.
And look at the back here.
Yeah, it looks like it looks like it was just cast.
Yep.
Needs to be a good cleaning because it just came out of the cast. Yep, that's cool.
They have a certificate that comes. It's got the preheating instructions.
Yep. So the storyline is you can go on their website and check it out on
It's also signed by the manufacturer and the inspecting.
Yep, in the storyline you can go, if you follow the link you can learn more about them, but the people who do these pans are from Michigan, and the ones that are cast iron like this are made in Michigan.
Yep.
It's pretty cool.
Michigan, USA.
Yep. It's kind of got more of like a brown look than a black.
So not only did we get one, and we're looking forward to trying cornbreads, maybe a small pizza, steaks.
Ooh, cornbread.
Bacon and eggs.
That all sounds good.
So many good things that you can do with cast iron. So not only did we get the one, but Marquette Castings has donated us one for our ranch
Harvest Fest
party, Saturday, October 10th, 11 to 3. We are going to have this on a free giveaway. We'll have tickets, and the drawing will be at 2 o'clock. You'll need to be present to win, but Marquette Castings, look them up on Facebook. I'm going to have their link below in the description of the video for their Facebook link, and I'll try to put their company link.
But big shout out to them.
But huge shout out to Marquette Castings.
These pans are...
You got to remember, a brand new company too, when they start up, these are more expensive than what you're going to see in the stores. But you got to remember, a startup cost for a brand new company, it's a lot of risk, it's a lot of hard work, and I'm sure in time the pricing will go down. But at the same time, these are lifetime pieces. These are something that you can pass down generation to generation. As long as you take care of them, they'll last you a lifetime, and you can pass it off to your kids' kids, your grandkids. So they last forever. So
Harvest Fest at the ranch, October 10th, Saturday, 10th, 11 to 3.
We will put the link to the video at the end of this video, so you can click on there. It has the instructions, has the email instructions. You're more welcome to come. We're gonna have food, hay rides,
We just
stuff
need
like
to know that
We
you're
just need to know
coming.
how many are coming, and we will try to make enough food possible for everybody coming. It's our third one. Last year we had around 80 to 100 people. We expect kind of around the same this year, but maybe we'll even have more.
So this is our big giveaway. However, we may have some
we may
other
have some, yep, we
a
may
raffle
have
possibly.
We may have a raffle of some sort. We may have some other giveaways, but this is from Marquette Castings. A huge shout out to them for donating to our Harvest Fest party 2020,
and support Michigan companies. It's a good thing.
Michigan company,
US
USA
company.
so you can't go wrong, and it looks like an awesome product. I mean, it feels great.
Doesn't
Very
feel too
smooth.
heavy.
So we'll try to do some videos cooking with that. I'm really excited about this. I mean, what a cool piece to hang up on a wall. Lifetime piece. So thank you very much, Marquette Castings, for your donation. We're excited, and we look forward to giving it away, and I'm sure it's going to be an awesome prize for somebody.
And thanks for watching, and subscribe.
Click subscribe, hit like, share with your friends, and we do all kinds of food plots, travels, eating out, American products. We're kind of a eclectic channel. We do everything, and live life and make your own story today. Thanks for watching.